In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your X.com or Twitter profile picture a GIF, or rather, what actually happens when you try to do that in 2026. If you've seen animated profile pictures on other platforms and wondered why your X profile pic won't move, you're not alone. This is one of the most searched questions around X customization, and the answer is simple. X no longer supports animated GIFs as profile pictures. So if you upload a GIF, it will appear as a static image instead of animating. If this video helps clear things up, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Now, let's walk through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect. First, open x.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your profile settings, go to Edit Your Profile and look for the Profile Picture Upload option. This is where most people try to upload a GIF, expecting it to animate. But here's the important part. Even if your file is a GIF, X will only display it as a still image. That means the first frame of the GIF is what you'll see on your profile, not the full animation. So if your goal is to have a moving profile picture, X simply does not allow that anymore. What you can do instead is choose a high-quality image format like PNG or JPEG and make sure it looks clear in the circular crop. If you want a profile picture that stands out, pick an image with strong contrast, a clean face crop, and a simple background so it looks great even at a small size. If you already have a GIF you love, one workaround is to convert the best frame into a static image and use that as your profile photo. That way, your profile still matches the style of your original GIF, even though it won't animate on X. Another useful tip is to preview your image before saving it. Because X displays profile photos in a circle, you want to make sure nothing important gets cut off around the edges. After you upload the image, save your changes and refresh your profile to confirm how it appears. If it looks static, that is completely normal and expected behavior on X. So, to sum it up, you cannot make your X or Twitter profile picture a GIF anymore. The platform only supports static image profile photos, and any GIF upload will stay still. If you were looking for a quick fix, the honest answer is that there isn't one inside X's current system. The best option is to use a sharp static image that represents your brand or personality well. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more easy social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.